Hello, students. Very good evening to all of you. Welcome to our fantastic channel, Diksha Karnataka Vedantu. So, today means first of all, I'm going to give my introduction. First of all, I see whether am I completely audible or visible to you, all of you. Hi, Rehan Khan, Shakir Naushin. I think it will take 10 seconds in the mobile to see whether the particular faculty is live properly or not. So, I have to wait. I'm audible, clearly audible and visible. Yes, I'm live. It is showing in my mobile also. So now we all know that NEET 2026 approaching very nearby. Exam date is very nearby. So let's revise without wasting our time. Just giving my introduction. I'm Dr. Meetu Ma'am. I live in Kota, Rajasthan. By profession, I am a dental surgeon, cosmetologist, and a biology educator teaching NEET biology students. Since 11 years, even I have taken foundation classes also, 9th and 10th students. So let's start without wasting the time. Today the chapter is for NEET 2026 one shot. I'm taking theory. I'm taking theory, and on tomorrow I'm going to start with the first chapter of human physiology, and on the third day we will do PYQS of both the chapters. Okay, because I've already done with the sheets, so we are not going to disturb the pattern. We will solve the question on third day. Not a big deal. Okay, so today we are going to deal with, a marathon, a one shot we can say, of class 11th, chapter name The Living World, NEET 2020. Okay, let's start. Now, what do you mean by the living world? In short, we are dealing with the chapter. This is a revision time, so I am writing the key points. First, what do you mean by the living world? Now, see, we will deal with the chapter according to the latest edition of NCERT. So keep it in mind. Now, living organisms are different from non-living. Living organisms are different from non-living. I am a living person and the pen is a living, non-living thing. How I am going to differentiate a living thing from a non-living thing? Due to some characteristics. These characteristics are now not mentioned in your new updated NCERT, but for sake of convenience and getting some proper knowledge in a proper way or track, we are going to deal with it by their names only. Living organisms are different from non-living due to some of the characteristics. Due to some of the characteristics, what are they? They are cellular structure, means living body is made up of cell while non-living not. Living body show growth, irreversible increase in mass. Non-living also show, but there are some exceptions. Reproduction, ability to produce new organism of its own kind. Again, some exceptions are there. But these things, these characteristics are differentiating living from non-living. Maybe some exceptions are there. So they are characteristic property, but if exceptions are there, they are not declared as defining property. Okay, cellular structure, growth, reproduction, then uh, metabolism, reactions occurring inside the cells. Finally, consciousness, self awareness. In consciousness there will be no exception. So consciousness is the characteristic as well as defining property which are differentiating the living organisms from non-living organisms. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear now? Okay. Now, what else? Now, if we deal with the living world, you should know some of the terms very properly. First, biodiversity. Biodiversity means uh, diversity of living organisms. Living organisms are showing, different diversity. Means they are, uh, they are of many shapes. They are consisting of many sizes, many forms, structure, and function. So biodiversity means variety in living forms. Variety in living forms. Variety in forms. 1.7 to 1.8 million or billion species, the form of biodiversity, are known till yet. And um, uh, still more are discovering, still more are discovering. So when we are dealing with the varied forms of living organism, varying from simple to complex, simple to complex, prokaryotic to eukaryotic, unicellular to multicellular. Done. According to this, we'll deal, many more things in the chapter biological classification. But if we want to place these diversified organisms, we will include some of the kingdoms. Like, according to the scientists, kingdom Monera, kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. So, to means how we distinguish a Monera, how we distinguish an animal, and how we distinguish a plant. For this, we have to follow the rules of taxonomy. Taxonomy. What do you mean by taxonomy? Taxonomy is a branch of biology, deals with the identification, classification, and nomenclature of a living organism. You have to identify if it is a plant, why it is a plant. You means you are knowing the characteristics of that particular organism. Okay, then place plant individually. Can we place animals in plant kingdom? No, because they both are having different characteristics. And then nomenclature means the name of mango is Mangifera indica. Scientific name of plant mango is Mangifera indica. The scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris. Okay, done in this way. So the concept of taxonomy has been come. Branch of biology deals with identification, classification, and nomenclature means naming of an organism. Naming of an organism. Is it clear? Now, the father of taxonomy is, if we consider some of the scientists who contribute covering organism, identifying organism, classifying organisms, are father of taxonomy Carolus Linnaeus. Done. Then, or what other scientists like Aristotle, father of father of zoology, Theophrastus, father of botany. Lots of scientists have come. Lots of scientists. Okay, done. Is it clear to everyone? Now, various other points are there, like systematics, arrangement of organism in a systematic manner, systematic, biosystematics. What else? Now, the main thing which we are dealing is how we are name the organism. How we are going to name the organism. Hi everyone. Hi next Sahana Chandana. Hi. This is my first class on this channel, and we'll take regular classes on this channel at 4 p.m. Okay? So everyone should know my schedule also. Now the most important thing is nomenclature. Is you are going to a organism through scientific way, means the name should be universally acceptable. So Carolus Linnaeus gave the concept of binomial nomenclature. Is the organism name consisting of two words. Then organism consisting of two words. First word is genus, that is generic name. Second word is species, specific epithet, specific epithet. Okay. Now, this genus name, first letter should be capital. First letter should be capital. Species name is specific epithet, small letter. Done? Is it clear? Now, what else? The names should be universally acceptable. Should be universally acceptable. Now, the names derived from Latin language. Why Latin language? Because Latin language is dead language. If we are naming mango as Mangifera indica, it will remain for many years. Derives derived from Latin language. Dead language. Done. What else? If you are writing uh, the scientific name, you can write scientist name also after the species name. Okay. And if you are writing, simply writing it by pen, or a pencil, the specific name, both the names should be underlined separately. And if you are, printing it, then do not underline the two words separately, make it in italics. Okay. So printed form italics. One more thing, this is the most easiest chapter of biology. One question comes from this chapter sometime, zero question comes from this chapter, but never underestimate any chapter. Maybe this time two questions will come, and this is the most shortest chapter. Very easy and short chapter. Very easy and short chapter. Printed form italics, handwritten, handwritten, underlined separately, underlined separately, like this mango. I'm writing it. Mangifera. Don't write in italics. Simply write it. Mangifera indica. Mango scientific name. Binomial nomenclature consisting of two words. First word is genus name. Starting letter capital. This is species. And I'm writing it. I'm not printing it. Mangifera indica. And if you are printing it, make the all the letters in italics. Don't underline it. Okay. And this is Lin. Lin means discovery by Linnaeus after specific. So these are some of the rules, format rules and regulations for writing, for giving an organism a binomial nomenclature. Like tiger, Panthera tigris. Done. Human, be the humans Homo sapien. Done. Okay. Uh, Lion, Panthera leo. Panthera leo. Okay. Done. Good evening. Hi, Trupti Goli. Done, students? Now, these are the rules and regulations for binomial nomenclature. What else? Now, what do you mean by a taxon? Taxon. Last topic of this chapter. I already told you this is a very, short chapter. Taxon, but the basic chapter. Taxon is a rank or category or a position where you place a organism during classification. Placed. Now, these categories are invented by again Carolus Linnaeus. These categories are arranged in a hierarchy manner, okay, and that's why they are known as taxonomic hierarchy or Linnean hierarchy. And hierarchy. Let's see what are these, ranks or position, either arranged in ascending to descending order or descending to ascending order. Kingdom at highest position, kingdom, phylum, class, order, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and now kingdom is at highest rank, highest rank, and species is at lowest rank. Highest rank, lowest rank. Now how it will deal? So many species are there in one gene. So many generic names are there in one family. So many families are included in one order. So many orders are included in one class. So many classes are there in one phylum. And so many phylum are there in one. Done. Is it clear? Taxonomic aids have been deleted. So this is about your this chapter. The living world is the first chapter of your class 11th. The unit name is diversity in living world, the living world. Okay. So this is the most easiest chapter, but the basic. You have done with, you have come to know that what do you mean by binomial nomenclature. If you know, consider the uninomial nomenclature. Initially, organisms are named by their local names, are designated by their local names. Like we will call dog as kutta. In Bengali, it is called kukur. So if a person migrates and the person doesn't know Bengali, he will not understand the name of the dog. But if you give the dog as a binomial nomenclature, if you provide dog a specific binomial scientific name that is universally acceptable, everybody understand dog's name. Even it is very easy for the scientist to deal with the scientific name. Okay, so this is all about this today's chapter. Uh, on tomorrow we are going to start with the unit human physiology. Why I am taking the unit human physiology? Because human physiology is the most weightage carrying unit for NEET 2026. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to start with the unit human physiology. We are going to deal with the chapter number 1, breathing and exchange of, means it is a chapter number 2, digestion deleted, breathing and exchange of gases. Okay students, thank you so much.